What's happening, everyone? Welcome back. We got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do the realme 11.5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you do delete everything. So if you got anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. But other than that, let's just jump right into this bad boy. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, and in this case, it is off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power right there. And what we want to do is we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. I'm going to start by holding volume down first and then power. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power. I usually kind of like let it hold for a little bit, but then just continue holding power. I'm sorry, volume down. And it usually takes a second to load. I will preface this, if you have one of these that has a bad touchscreen, you will not be able to do a hard reset on it, unfortunately, because you have to use some touch function to complete the hard reset process. And plugging in a mouse with an OTG connector, unfortunately, doesn't work either. So just keep that in mind. We want to use the volume buttons to scroll. You can actually use touch too. So we're going to get to either, you can use either the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, or you can use touch. And we want to format data. It's going to ask us to enter in a code, and it's 5731. Oh. And this does change every single time you do a hard reset. It's just a generic version of it. Really, it wants to make sure you really want to do this, because it knows once you delete all the data, it's going to be gone forever. But after that, it'll just restart, and you can set it up like it was new. But that's how we do a hard reset on a realme 11.5G. It's kind of really nice camera. It's a pretty cool phone right here. But otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. If you can, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. We'd always appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one.